Now muscles. Muscles are special tissues which originate from mesoderm in the embryonic stages. 40 to 50% of body weight is made up of muscles in an adult. The special properties of muscles are excitability, contractibility, and elasticity. We will discuss them. Now, the muscles are divided into three categories. First is the skeletal muscles. These are also called striated muscles, and these are voluntary muscles. Skeletal muscles, because these muscles are attached to the bones or skeleton of the body. Striated, because they show presence of striations, lakeerein, alternate dark and light bands are present on them. That is why they are called striated. And they are voluntary, they move according to our will. हम इन्हें अपनी मर्जी से हिला सकते हैं. And these are present in the limbs, that is arms and the legs. They are cylindrical in shape, unbranched, and multinucleated. Multinucleated means more than one nucleus is seen in one muscle fiber. Normally, one cell has got one muscle, but the skeletal muscle cells or striated muscles, they are cylindrical, unbranched, they show striations, alternate dark and light bands on them, and they are multinucleated. Now, the second type of muscles are non-skeletal, because these are not attached to skeleton or the bones. These are non-striated, because they do not show alternate dark and light bands on them. And these are called visceral muscles, because they are attached to body viscera, that is the internal organs. And these are also called involuntary, because they do not move according to our will. The cells of these non-striated muscles, they are spindle shaped. Spindle is thick in the center and it goes on tapering towards the end. It is uninucleated, one nucleus, and there is absence of dark and light bands. These are located in the organs, internal organs, like the respiratory tract, muscles in stomach, and whether we want or not, if we have eaten food, that will be digested. Whether we want or not, the lungs, they will undergo contraction and relaxation. We will go on breathing, that is inhaling and exhaling. Last is the cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles, they are located only in heart. They show the combination of both these. They are cylindrical, but they are branched. They are cylindrical like them, but these were unbranched, they are branched. They show striations, that is dark and light bands on them, but these striations और these bands are faint, उतने dark नहीं होते, हल्के हल्के ये striations हैं present on the cardiac muscles. And they are uninucleate like them. They are septum, there is present a partition, and each portion, it consists of only one nucleus. So these muscles, they can undergo contraction and relaxation without undergoing fatigue. बिना थके बहुत देर तक जो है ये they can undergo contraction and relaxation.